Hi, we are leaving Ho Chi Minh, going to Nha Trang, and then it's a huge plan that we'll be going through.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul and then I knew you'd run away with me.
OMG, the room's nice, man. You see the balcony now. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the view from the balcony and you'll be surprised. That's the bathroom. It's kind of basic, but it's nice.
I'm in your thoughts and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
So this is our first day in Nha Trang. You can see it's a beautiful, huge, long beach of almost, I think, 8-9 kilometers, and it's almost empty and beautiful, silent. You can see the islands.
Two people. How much your ticket?
100, 200.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me.
Hello guys, we have reached our first destination today, that is Baho waterfall. Now Dipiman is trying to scare me.
Standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy.
Like Hon Thom Island, they also have locker system, free locker, that includes in the ticket only, and also a changing room.
I've touched your soul and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts and all you want is to lay down with me.
This is the way to the waterfalls. It's all rocky.
I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
This is not the way. This is cheating. Parvi?
Hello, good morning. Today is our 8th day in Vietnam. We're going for a boat trip to an island called Hon Mun. It's one of the best snorkeling places in the world. In total in the world there are 2,500 variety of corals, but here itself you can get 1,500 types of coral. We hired a boat in 8 lakhs dong.
So it's very unfortunate that our GoPro stopped working in Fukuoka, so we couldn't really shoot anything underwater. But to compensate, we are trying to attract some fishes with some food.
Kapitan, kapitan, kapitan.
Kapitan, number one.
Number one.
Hello guys, we reached fishing village for having lunch, and the best thing is here is no menu. There are tubs with different kind of fishes, octopus, shrimps. You have to choose one, they will pick and they will cook for you.
And the snorkeling experience we had for the first time, but it was heavenly. I don't know, obviously didn't count, but at least we have seen more than 500 types of corals and varieties of colorful fishes.
Came to our second destination today after the island tour in Nha Trang mainland. This is called Rock Formation. It's a temple above, and some good musician was playing some very beautiful and melodious music using natural resources like bamboo and woods and all those stuff. So we started our journey from Dalat to Nha Trang. Last time we were late here, so we are back in the church in Nha Trang. So we took a ticket. It's not actually a ticket, it's kind of a donation as you wish, like 30,000 we gave for 2 people.
I will be the one. I will be the one for you.
At last we came to the beach because we traveled the road many times but never